Ever wonder if you can travel with your Ayurvedic hair care products? It can be sometimes a little tricky because of a few things that I'm gonna share with you in this video, but we're gonna make it happen. My name is Khadija, welcome to the Hennasooq channel, and we're gonna be talking about traveling with your products, making sure your hair looks amazing when you're traveling to vacation spots or going to see family, or just, traveling for business. You want to look amazing. So how are you going to be able to bring all your products with you? And which ones are the most important for you to bring with you? And we're definitely going to dive deep into that. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can make that happen and make it really easy for you as well. So let's get into it. So now we have the suitcase that you're going to be traveling with. There is a few concerns. Of course, are you going to check this bag, or are you going to try to carry this on if you're going by air? But let's go over usually what I do. For the most part, generally speaking, I do prefer to check my bag because I don't really like to repack my bottles and my products. I prefer to use one whole container and then recycle the bottle. So I have some of my clothes in the bag already, and I'm getting ready to pack the rest of all my toiletries and everything like that in the same bag because I'm only traveling with one bag. So you definitely don't want to have your products spill on here. So I'm going to show you tips on how to package everything in your bag with all of your stuff. I'm going to be going over the products that I think are the best to travel with, that are easy, convenient, and that are going to be exactly what you need. So if you typically color your hair with henna, do that close to before you leave for your trip, because I probably wouldn't recommend traveling with hair color unless you're going to be gone for a really long time. The cool thing is we ship worldwide. We ship everywhere. So if you get stuck though, for any reason, if you get stuck, a good alternative would be to have your products ordered and then shipped to wherever you happen to be. We've shipped to hotels, we've shipped to bases, we've shipped everywhere. So you have options. So there's 2 Ayurvedic masks that you can travel with that are really easy to mix up and use. You definitely want to do a treatment. If you're going to be there for a week or 2, you definitely want to have your Sukesh Ayurveda, or you want to have your goddess hair in your bag. I still personally use a big old Ziploc bag, and I am going to be putting my Ayurvedic hair masks in the bag. This is powder form. They're not liquid. When you're ready to use your Ayurvedic mask, you probably just need to get a bowl and a spoon. If you want to, you can pack that yourself or try to find one there. Maybe there's breakfast and you can use some of their disposable stuff. So when you're packaging your Ayurvedic hair masks, make sure that you press all the air out of these bags because they take up a lot more room. You can easily mix these masks with just warm to hot distilled water. You're on the road, you're busy, you're traveling. Just keep it simple for now, but at least you're getting a mask in if you're going to be gone for a week or 2, and you could do your treatment and just relax, read a book, just sit back, sit in the sun, wherever you are, just enjoy the moment of doing something for yourself, fully, really for yourself and your hair. And then you may be thinking, well, what about having to wash my hair before I do all these masks and all these treatments? I'm going to carry bottles of co-wash and shampoo with me on this trip. Nope, we got you. You don't have to do that. What we recommend, and you can also use this to wash your body and your face with, these shampoo bars are gonna really be really great go-tos. You got your soap nut, which smells amazing. It's great for a little bit of clarifying, extra moisture. Keep that with you. The argan oil, shampoo and body bar is going to be very moisturizing as well, and it's gonna be great for your face. And now that you've done your cleansing treatments, you fully cleansed, and you do your Ayurvedic hair treatment, which you can leave in for about an hour or 2, then you're gonna rinse that completely out. You can even use a shampoo bar again because it's not your typical shampoo. It's a highly super fatted, rich shampoo bar that's gonna put back a lot of moisture into your hair. And even so, I got something else that you can travel with, the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher, and get the small jar because it's only 4 ounces and it's solid, so this is not gonna spill more than likely. If you want to do another kind of detox hair treatment, then the Moroccan hair detox mud is really great to travel with. It's ready to use and it's really rich, nourishing, and smells so good. This one, just in case, I would probably secure this one right into a Ziploc bag. I might even lay it down. So if you want something on the go for your edges, for protective styles, or you just want something really moisturizing, you want to like moisturize your whole body, but again, you're like, I don't really want to bring lotion. It's going to probably bust all open in my bag and I've done that a million times, guys. Like I have had lotion all over my bag, and I love lotion as a go-to, but I typically travel with a butter, to be honest, something a little thicker, you know. So the sweet mimosa butter is great for that, so you can keep that in your bag. It is solid, so it's not going to like liquefy or anything like that. And now what about liquids? You want to travel with some liquids, you want some hair oil, I got you. So your favorite hair oil, the Ayurvedic hair oil, and also some essential oils that can just be an easy go-to treatment that you can do for your hair. Add a little shine and just make your scalp feel really nice. You can travel with these. I got some rosemary and sweet orange essential oil. For oils, what I'm gonna do is I am going to secure this cap. So I've got a piece of tape and I am gonna tape this down. You know what? Tape it more than once. Yeah, you definitely want to securely tape this down while you're traveling and put it into a Ziploc bag. And I lay again sideways because I just really want it to be secure, and I can kind of wrap it up a little bit. And I'm going to put my essential oils in here as well in case they happen to break open. And I'm going to pull all the air out of this. And now some tools that you can bring with you. You could definitely bring a small spray bottle. Bring that because you might want to spritz your oils and make a spritz on the go while you're away. And definitely you want to pack your brushes, your combs. This one too. Oh, these are so nice. Wood combs and brushes are really, really good for your hair. It really distributes a lot of the natural oils in your hair evenly. And I will securely put this in such a way. I'm worried about this getting a little bent up, so I may put something over that just to make sure it's like secure. And typically what I do once my bag's like this, I probably put either some type of protective cover over at least this part, or maybe more clothes. If I have more clothes that I need to put in this bag, at this point I would probably layer it with more clothes. I'll put clothes here on the edges. You can use a Hennasooq bag if you have one, or any reusable bag that you happen to have. And I'm gonna put some of my tools in here. And I'm gonna put my heavier jars also on the side here. And I'm gonna close this up securely. And again, make a little room here so that everything has its place. I'll put more clothes to make it secure, because the key is to like having a bag packed. You also want to make sure that it's packed properly so that things don't move. The more secure your bag is, the least amount of movement that you will have, like things flying all over the place. Like this is too empty. I'd lay some more clothes on here. This is pretty good. And then I would be good to go. Close up my bag and I'm ready to hit the road. So thank you for watching. I hope that you are going to be able to like just fly and go anywhere you want to, or drive and see the mountaintops, watch the sunrise and set, wherever it is that you want to be. You got this. And I hope you have an amazing 2022, as well as you walk into that and being able to plan out all the things that you really want to do for the new year. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell to get notified of all the videos that I have coming out for you every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I will see you. Take care. Until next time.